Hello, this is Ask Anastasia, and I'm still doing tour for houses for you. I'm gonna show you street, so you got a feeling of the area. It has a park next to it. Very quiet here, and I'm gonna show you house. It's we are looking at 3 houses together. They can sell them as a package, or you can buy it separately. So this is one of the most expensive houses, and they are selling it for $56,000. I hope it's really nice inside, because it's kind of expensive. It's out of our price range, but we can see what's gonna happen. Oops, I'm in somebody else's backyard. Didn't realize it. It has a fenced backyard. And let's see if we can go in. It's spring, and this yellow color, it's really unusual. Porch needs some work. Good windows. And let's go in. It looks like it just needs to clean, to take out all the stuff that left, and that's gonna be it. Nice kitchen. And let's see how many bedrooms. That was the living room when we enter. This is dining room, I would say. And 1 bedroom on this floor. This is just a closet. Let's look for a bathroom. Do they have a bathroom on this floor? Hope it's gonna be here. No. If you go downstairs from here, we're gonna go later on. So there is no restroom on the first floor. Just gonna go into the second one. Looks like they just put this floor and tile work, which is not finished. Toilet. One bedroom here. There's a walk-in closet. Wow. It's pretty big. And another closet. Kind of weird room. Really small, but with 2 closets. Bathroom and 1 more room. Yep, the same 2 closets, so just 2 bedrooms upstairs and a bathroom. And 1 bedroom downstairs. Just 2 bedroom upstairs, honey, and 1 here. Can I go downstairs with your flashlight to help me? Nobody hear me. Tony,
yeah.
Can you go downstairs, please? After for you.
Can you see here? Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. That was gonna follow you. Follow the blind. Yes.
Okay. Semi-finished basement, I would say. Washer and dryer, water heater.
Furnace is on its last legs.
Okay.
It's a very old furnace.
Okay.
Water heater is kind of okay. No, actually it's not okay. It's very old.